Find or read reviews that people are talking about SISUPASSIE Pressure Washer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The SISUPASSIE Pressure Washer combines exceptional performance with convenient design, featuring a maximum water pressure of 1059 psi and a water flow rate of 2.2 gpm. Capable of quickly removing stains from cars, patios, fences, and driveways. With a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure hose, you'll enjoy ample mobility. Additionally, the power washer comes with a foam cannon and 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 45 degrees, to cater to diverse cleaning needs. The energy-saving total stop system or TSS, automatically shuts off when not in use, and a safety lock prevents accidental startups, ensuring peace of mind during operation. Whether you're looking for a pressure washer or power washers electric-powered, the SISUPASSIE electric power washer is a great choice. Its ergonomically designed handle and detachable design facilitate easy maneuverability, operation, and storage, with all accessories neatly organized and ready for your next cleaning challenge. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.